Hello! I am Lucas, this is Kyle, in case you haven't seen our handy-dandy intro videos of the channel, and this is the chemistry course. Kyle, would you care to give an explanation for what exactly chemistry is in case someone doesn't know out there on the internet?
Indeed. So chemistry is the study of everything, and it's kind of focusing on the level between atomic level, because anything under atomic level goes down to physics, and then it goes up to the level where it starts being complex biological organisms. So you see a study of molecules, compounds, and then atoms and how they interact with each other through reactions and state changes, and then what their structure is during all of this.
And quick disclaimer, this in case the name of our channel didn't give it away, this is IB chemistry. So we'll be covering IB topics. In fact, we'll be going straight off the IB standard list, which will be linked in the description if you want to see it to anticipate what standards we'll be covering next. And also, this is the IB SL, or standard level course. We're doing that because SL is the course that most people are likely to take because it's the easier one, and most people aren't taking chemistry in the first place. We might consider doing HL later if there's enough demand, but for now, it's just SL. So the text that will be going off, Kyle, is this one.
Whoa.
The official SL chemistry book. We'll be drawing practice problems for this. Another thing, this is a review course. We're not actually going to be teaching this stuff to you. We assume that you've already learned it. Hopefully you've already learned it. And thusly, this will be a quick review to refresh it in your mind and hopefully prepare you for exams. In our first semester course, we'll be going over the stuff that we expect, because IB SL Chemistry is a 2-year course, the stuff that we expect that you will have covered in the first year, so you can be ready for that in your first year exams. And among those topics are stoichiometric relationships, atomic structure, periodicity, chemical bonding and structure, energetics, thermochem, chemical kinetics, equilibrium, acids and bases, redox processes, and finally, measurements and uncertainties. We're staving off organic chem for next time.
That being said, we're going to be starting with our measurements and uncertainties to make sure that you guys have those out of the way before you start trying to get into the more complex stuff.
Alright, so that's our intro to chemistry. Next video, we start with measurements and uncertainties, the first subtopic, uncertainties and error.
Speaking of error... Whoops!